So this is the following morning because I kept it in my fridge for throughout the night. So if and welcome back to my channel. If today is your first day of coming across my video or seeing my face, you are highly welcome to this channel. My name is Ese Unique. So today I want to share some amazing recipe with you all, a recipe that will help you if you are a woman and you feel that your VJ is too opened and you want it to be tightened for you to regain back your womanhood. So this recipe is for you. How you are going to prepare this amazing recipe, this amazing water you are seeing here. So this is it. This is the amazing water which you are seeing here. If you want to regain back your womanhood, you feel it is too open after giving birth to your kids, you feel it is too open, this water will help you to regain it back. And also, if you are a young lady, if you feel that your VJ is too open for you, stay tuned and continue watching this video. This water will be of a good help to you, okay? So, how do you know that your VJ is too open? It's when you put 2 or 3 fingers into it and it is still too open for you. Then you will know that it is too open. And sometimes when your husband complains a lot that it is too open for you, that's when you know that your VJ is too open. So this is the best remedy to regain back that womanhood which you have lost for long. Okay? So guys, continue watching this video and see this amazing benefit of this water, how I prepared it, and how it is going to help you to regain back your womanhood. Stay tuned. So guys, to prepare this VJJ recipe to tighten your VJJ, so I will get my tray and a cup. I'm going to be measuring 1.5 cup of peanuts. This is 1 cup. And this is 1/2 cup. So what I'm going to be doing is to first of all wash this. So in my first video that I make concerning this VJJ, a lot of you were asking me why did I wash it before drying it. So this is the reason why I wash it. You can see this thing inside, this paper inside. This is what they use to preserve this granite or peanut, so that the ant or insect, whatever, will not penetrate to eat it up. So because of this thing they use to preserve it, I don't know the kind of chemical it is, so I have to wash. Whenever you buy peanut, whether from the market, from the store, you have to wash it properly before using it, because of what they use in preserving it against insect or ant. So what you are going to be doing now is to wash it. I'm going to be washing it. I have my clean water here. So I'm just going to wash it. Make sure the granite or peanut is unshared, raw and unshared. You see, this one is raw and it is unshared. Let me break it for you guys to see. You can see this is not fried peanut. This, if you are going to prepare this recipe, you need raw and unshared peanut. This is the best, what I will advise to get a perfect result. So what I'm going to be doing after washing is to strain the water away. So after straining the water, you can see, now I'm going to get a clean container. You can see this is a very clean container. I just washed it this morning. The first recipe I did concerning this VJJ with granite, I boil it. So I told you guys that if you can't boil it, you can also store it in a container. So this is another different recipe I'm going to be making, but it's still the same for the same use. So you are going to store it in a container. I will just pour everything into my container. So you can see, I will make sure I put everything into the container. So after pouring everything into my container, you see, this is it. So what I'm going to be doing now, because we are going to be drinking it, you should get a clean bottle water. So this is my clean bottle water. I'm going to be pouring this clean bottle water into the container that I put the peanut. So just watch me do it. Pour in enough water because you are going to be taking this for 5 days. Make sure you have enough water inside. Okay? Just make sure there is enough water. So you can see now I am filling the container with enough water. You can see it is properly filled up. So what I'm going to be doing now is to take this to my fridge and store it in my fridge all through the night. Then in the morning I'm going to be bringing it out. Don't store it in just ordinary place. Make sure you put it in your fridge so that it will not start to ferment. Because if you don't preserve it in your fridge, it will just start fermenting and it's not good. The only thing we just need is for this water to change the color. So I'm going to be putting this in my fridge to preserve it in order not to ferment. So in the morning, I will bring it out and I will tell you how you are going to be taking it. Okay? Continue watching. So guys, this is the soak granite or peanut. This is it. I just brought it out from my fridge. You can see the color has changed. So this is the following morning because I kept it in my fridge for throughout the night. So if you can't keep it in your fridge throughout the night, you can soak it in the morning also and use it in the evening. So this is it, guys. What you are going to be doing is to drink this for 4 days. So on the 5th day, you will check your VJJ to see the result. If you like what you see, you can stop. But if you don't like the way it is tight or it is not tight enough for you, you can, if it is not tight enough for you, you can continue. But if you notice that the water is finished and you still have the peanut, you can re-soak the peanut again, add some water to keep it for some days again, and start drinking till you get your desired result. But please don't overdo this so that your VJ will not be too tight. Okay? Don't overdo it. And after doing this, because I know you are going to get a permanent and a perfect result, after doing this, come and give your testimony and share this with others so that they will benefit also from it. So this is it. What you are going to be doing is just for you to get a glass. You just pour in some amount in here like this. In the morning or in the evening, this does not have any specific time of drinking it. You can drink it in the morning or in the evening. So what you are going to be doing is for you to take it for 4 days first. On the 5th day, try and check your VJ how tightened it is. If it is not tight to your expected result, you can continue to the 5th day. But don't overdo it, okay? Don't overdo it. I know this is a full assurance. This will work very well for you, okay? So this is it. This is it, guys. So this is it, guys. If you have been watching my video since and you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe and also turn on the post notification, which is that bell icon up there. turn it on, and whenever I upload any amazing video, you will be the first to be notified. Okay, see you all in my next one. Bye.